Hey everyone, Blake here at C&S Corvettes with another shop walk around. We're going to do a full walk around this time and let you peek at some of the cars that our own techs drive themselves. So let's come on. We'll start here with Andy's 1999 C5. It's full bolt-on, 4-speed automatic. He's done a lot of work to this car. He's done all the maintenance to it, and he just keeps on putting his whole soul into the car. And I can't wait for it to be done when he finally gets it to exactly where he wants it to be. This is our newest tech, Zach's car. It's a 2007 Z06. He has a cam on it, a MSD intake manifold, headers. It's very loud, but it's a lot of fun, and he has a good time in it. Here's a little update on Tony's 2009 C6. He went and sourced himself some C7 wheels, put those on there. Those are looking good. He's getting some of the exterior parts figured out, what he wanted to keep on, what he wanted to take off, and it's really coming together, and it's becoming a really nice car for him. He also just installed a solar throttle programmer, and now he's having a lot of fun on the streets. Here is Nick Ansbro's 2009 Z06, the one that just got full cam, lifters, front crank pulley, pretty much a motor refresh plus that cam and a tune. And he's put 2,000 miles on the motor so far, and she's just screaming. All right, now we'll move on to customers' cars we have in here. This is a 2009 C6. It has come in for a whole list of things. Right now we had to order a torque converter for this vehicle. So we just got that in. We're gonna get it back up on the lifts, get that installed. He's gotten a fresh fuel pump, torque tube rebuild, and a lot of service done that needed to be done on the car. The car's low mileage, of course. But he just wanted to have a nice baseline. The customer also has another Corvette, but he loves the way the LS3 sounds and feels. So he just wants it to be right so he can enjoy it with his wife on the roads. Here we have a 2013 C6 manual. It just got a front engine kit and a new water pump put in. Water pump was leaking pretty good. Of course, with the front engine kit, we do that a lot here. The crankshaft pulley develops the wobble because of the two-piece crankshaft pulley. And yeah, we get those a lot. Real quick on the stop off, 1990 Z01 is still here. We just put a new clutch master cylinder and slave cylinder in it. Got the clutch working again. It's ready to go up for sale. I'm sure Steve will be putting it up for sale. Tony will be putting links in the videos as we go along, and it can go to a brand new home. Here we have a 2011 C6 in for some fuel issue diagnostics. The fuel level sensor is not cooperating. It only wants to work when the fuel is at a certain level, which means that the potentiometer inside the fuel level sensor has failed at certain points. So we need to get that out of there and put a fresh one in. Here we have a 1999 FRC. Kind of rare nowadays not seeing a Z06 and actually just an FRC, but this customer has brought his in for a torque tube rebuild, rear engine plate, differential side cover and half shaft seals. The customer opted to put the exhaust shields in to keep down on the heat from the headers, as he has a brand new rebuilt torque tube in there. And we're finishing it up, getting the clutch figured out, and it'll be out of here soon and back in the owner's hands. Here we have a 2007 C6 in for electrical diagnostics. It's having voltage issues, so the technicians are doing their best to pinpoint exactly where the voltage breakdown is so we can get this customer's car running good, strong, and worry-free as it goes down the road. All right. Why you gotta get so close? Let's come on. Where are you going? Did you forget you have a Corvette? On a C7 rim, son. I'll probably cut that. There's no more front engine kits right now. We're done.
Ooh, baby.
Dang it, Andy. All right. Well, that's been another episode of CNS Corvettes Shop Walkaround. As always, please comment, like, and subscribe down below. If you have any input, questions, or comments, please let us know and we'll answer back. And again, my name is Blake, CNS Corvettes Shop Walkaround. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it.